There's some bit coal in our Harman SF3500. There's anthracite coal in the bottom. Just got some from a friend today. And I shook it down, took down the anthracite, and just threw this stuff on top. It does kind of clump together, and then you bang it apart, and then it fires up pretty good. Whew. A lot smokier than anthracite, that's for sure. Pretty crazy looking. This is it, just got a 5-gallon bucket of it. Different than anthracite. It kind of looks oily or something, but it's not. It's just the way it is. Alright, maybe we'll put a little more in later.